how to share Google Meet link with others. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to create a Google Meet and share the link with others? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Head over to your browser and then go to meet.google.com. Then you can see something like this. Just tap on new meeting and then tap on create a meeting for later. Then it will give you a pop-up with a link. You can see two square like icons. Just tap on it and the link will be copied. Now you can go to your friends DMs and just paste the link. Just tap on Control V and then send the link to everyone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.